Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make playlists on YouTube mobile. First thing you do is open up your YouTube on your mobile phone. So the next thing you're going to do is tap on view at the bottom, and then you can see playlist over here. Tap on the plus icon, and then you put in the title of the new playlist you want to make. Choose visibility. You can decide to collaborate or not, depends on you. And then the title of mine is hi. Then I want to make mine unlisted, which means, let me explain this quickly. If you choose public, it means anyone can search for and view the link and view it. If you choose unlisted, anyone with the link can view, and if you choose private, only you can view the playlist. So let's choose private, and then you can, then once your privacy is changed to private, when visibility is changed to private, it means you cannot turn on the collaborate. But if it is in public, then you can put on the collaborate. If it's in unlisted, you can also put on the collaborate. The private means only you can see it, so the collaborate will not be switched on. That's it. So once you're through with that, so the only way is to make it public or unlisted. So now let's make it private perfectly, and then you tap on create. It's as simple as that. Then it has been created. This is it. So you can try to add your videos. Tapping on add videos, you can search for videos online too. Now if you don't want to search for videos online, you want to add normally, just simply go back to home. Let's say I want to add this one. Press down on it. It's a short search. So this is the video, and you can add shorts, videos. So this is what I want to add. Tap on the three dots by the corner of the name, then tap to save to playlist, and then you choose the hi playlist. Select it alone and tap on done. So now you will go back, tap on view. Now you go back, let's look at it. It's in hi playlist. So you have manual here. So we also have all this. You can choose, make it stage published, choose this option you want, and that's it. It's as simple as that. That is how to add video to playlist, but actually how to make playlist on YouTube mobile. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.